Hey guys, what's up? So today I am going to be doing my Zodiac series, and since we are going into Scorpio season, that is what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm just going to read a little bit like I did last time about Scorpios. So I wrote stuff down because I don't want to read it on my phone. So here it is. So Scorpio is between October 23rd and November 21st, which means that I'm a Scorpio. Birthstone is topaz and opal. We're a water element, and our colors are scarlet, red, and rust. So that's kind of the colors I'm going to be working with today, which I'm also going to incorporate some blue into it just because it is a water element. So the day is Tuesday, which my birthday is on a Tuesday this year, so I'm hoping it'll be a good one. So some of the strengths are resourceful, brave, passionate, true friend, and for some reason it said stubborn was in the strengths, which I guess it could be a strength, but it could also be a weakness as well. Also, Scorpios are really good with keeping somebody's secrets, and some weaknesses are distrusting, jealous, violent, and secretive. So some of the likes of a Scorpio is they like truth, facts, being right, and a grand passion. Dislikes is dishonesty and passive people. They are a fixed sign, which means that they are the middle of each season. Scorpio is in the middle of fall, therefore it's a fixed sign. That also makes them stabilizers and like brick builders. Idea people were the very first of the season. So since we're the middle of the season, we are the people that take the ideas and make them into reality. So that is a little bit about Scorpios. And now we're going to get into the makeup. I'm going to start with the NYX Perfect Filter palette, and this is the Rustic Antique palette, which is perfect for what I'm going to be doing. I'm starting off just with this middle shade right here. To go in with the orange color in the palette. Take me to Brazil palette, a red color over here. I'm going to be mixing that with Perfect Filter.
Look as good as the day I met you. I forgot just why I left you. I was insane. Say, play that Blink 182 song. That we beat to death into something okay. I know it breaks my heart. We moved to the city in a broke
Color.
4 years on cross, you know, looking pretty in a hotel room. And I can't stop. Oh, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Like that tattoo on your shoulder.
using this mascara because I don't have blue eyeliner. By the way, I'm using the Fenty Beauty eyeliner. So
just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay.
did my eyeliner and eyelashes. Now we're going to move on to Z's. My Maybelline Master Prime, the Blur and Redness Control one. X Finishing Face Primer. Foundation. And I think I'm in the shade 150. I got this last year, so I'm hoping for the best.
As good as the day I met you, I forgot just why I left you. I was insane. Say, play that Blink 182 song that we beat to death in Tucson. Okay. I know it breaks my heart. We moved to the city and I broke down crying. 4 years on cross, you know, looking pretty in a hotel rocking. I can't stop. Oh, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Like that tattoo on your shoulder, all the sheets are off the corner of the mattress that you sold.
Blur and Set Loose Setting Powder. Now I'm going to finish my eyeballs. Go in with the orange shade.
Just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again.
Go in with a little bit of red.
4 years, no calls, now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat.
Blue eyeliner, and I'm going to put that in my waterline. And I'm just going to kind of set it.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
Elf light blush palette, and I'm going to be going in with this color.
Just why I left you, I was insane. Say, play that Blink 182 song that we beat to death into something okay. I know it breaks my heart. We moved to the city and I wrote down my head. 4 years on cross, you know, looking pretty in a hotel room. And I can't stop.
Highlights, I'm going to be going into my Aurora palette, and I'm going to be using Lyra and Orion, these two shades.
Just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart. We moved to the city and I broke down.
So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something new. I'm super excited that it's Scorpio season. I'm a Scorpio. My boyfriend's a Scorpio. His birthday's on Friday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Toodles!
Look as good as the day I met you. I forgot just why I left you, I was insane. Say, play that Blink 182 song that we beat to death into something okay.